Hey everyone, it's Becca. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing my fall FabFitFun box. This took like a long time to ship or to process. And unfortunately I missed the window to customize. There's my cat popped out. I made my bed and she was under there for a little bit. But fortunately this took forever to process. And also I missed the window to customize, which is really unfortunate because I can customize all 6 options. And I looked at the other options and I would have changed all 6. Oops. So I guess they don't know my preferences quite well enough. I wonder if there's like a quiz I can take, like how like Ipsy or like some of those other subscription boxes that you don't get to pick, or what. But it's tough because I had a reminder on my calendar but it was wrong, and it's just it changes quarter to quarter and they don't give you much heads up on it, so that's kind of a complaint I have. But anyway, this is the box. Thank you for shopping. Have a nice day. This will be great to pack. I actually kind of love these, which I know they're silly, but it says, "Hello fall, the leaves are changing and so are we. You'll discover cozy home comforts, charming hostess must-haves, spa-worthy treatments, and more." Sounds great. And then you'll find new limited edition curated kits in the shop. Subscribe to refills anytime. Shop weekly drops that make autumn oh so nice at just the right price. So anyway, oh, this is interesting. This seems like a sample. This is Ricola Throat Balm. Caramel flavor. I don't know about the caramel flavor, and whoa, this is my cat. Hopefully my battery does not die. It's really frustrating, but caramel flavor with liquid center. I mean, perfect for this time of year, but interesting. First up is this one size. I think this is a scarf. It's not really my normal colors, like the cream. Came with one of those like packs, which is interesting. I mean, it feels actually really nice. I was worried it was gonna feel scratchy. And this is by Nature's Needs here. Oh, Timberland. Yeah, I mean, it actually does look cute, especially with my hair color right now. Next, I would not have gotten this, but this is the Verb Ghost Repair Heat Protectant. I don't do a lot of heat styling and I have plenty. Hand and body wash, sandalwood and sage. I don't like, I like foaming hand soap, so I'll probably use this for body, or give it to my boyfriend more so and he can use it for his body, though I think he's more a soap guy. So yeah, I mean, I think the thing I like the most so far is the scarf. This is really pretty. This is the Living Proof, which is a great brand. Boar bristle brush. Wood, acetate, boar bristle. So like not mad at this, but also like, yeah, boar bristle is really more like a smoothing kind of brush. So I don't really need one. My cat loves plastic. She's chomping away. Now these I'm interested in. I would have never gotten these myself. Because I have very little faith that they will fit me, but they feel very soft. They actually do feel pretty stretchy. These are the Putis sweater socks, which like I love the idea for size 6 to 10, but I'm like, what size calf? Yeah, I am not sure about that. I do have larger calves, which I'm like, where's the inclusivity for people with bigger legs? Boots, socks, come on now. This is 2023. Anyway, I'll get off my soapbox. And then this is a woven throw blanket, Little Corboose by April Nemeth. Again, like not my colors. I don't need another blanket. Also, what's this material gonna be like? Maybe they're thinking like picnic. I don't know. Really, it's 100% cotton, machine wash, cold, gentle cycle, do not bleach, tumble dry low. So I mean, at least you can wash it. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't feel nice. I think this is gonna be another picnic for the once in a blue moon that I go on a picnic. Let me try these socks. And also this color, this like oatmeal color, is just waiting to wash me out. But okay, with a tight squeeze, these do actually fit, but literally looks like someone dropped some like caramel on my leg. They are really soft. I used to love wearing knee socks, and back then it was definitely a feat on trying to find ones that fit me. So let me just tell you what I would have picked if I had been looking at my email. Of course, it was like the few days I did not look at my email. I'm normally looking at it a couple times a day. So the woven throw blanket in rust, I understand it's like a fall color, and I'm ready for fall. I don't know about you guys. I'm over this heat and all that. Ready for fall, ready for the fall candles and all the scents. That was $60. Not pay 60, maybe 20. The plaid scarf is 60. I mean, that feels like a nice quality, but I wouldn't pay over 40. The brush is 45. I wouldn't pay more than 30. The over the knee socks, which look so cute on thin legs, are 25. Yeah, sure, those feel nice. The hand and body wash is 39. I would not pay more than 15. And the Verb heat protectant is 20. Yeah, that seems like a fair price. I want to see the other options. I forget. Oh, reveal the rest, maybe. So the other things, instead of the blanket that I could have gotten, was a duffel bag. Even that would have been good, but what I really would have gotten were these wine glasses, a $50 value, a set of 2. They're like goblets. They had a Murad moisturizer, a living proof triple bond complex. Even that for 45 would have been great. Otherwise, for the first one, or for the next one, they had the Fenty Beauty All Over Glow Enhancer, which I do really want. Bummed about that. The citrine spice jars, the scarf that I got, and Alex and Ani. Well, that's a throwback. Emerald Flex cuff bracelet, it's in gold. A jump rope, a Glow Recipe Plum Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Let's see. The next one would have been dry shampoo, hoop earring, Youthforia BYO blush. That's funny. I got the hairbrush, a Free People candle, which I might have gone for that. Fakai Super Strength and Protein Power Bond Mist. Oh no, what I would have gone for is the Silk Satin Travel Pillow Sleeve for $29.50. Yeah, I love that. I'm always looking for, and I like that color, that green. Always looking for more satin pillowcases because I don't wash them that much, just because they're so specific. I like to have like a decent amount of them. This next one, Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in Vanilla Beige. Probably would have gone for that. The KVD Beauty Tattoo Liner, Eyeliner. I got the socks, which I'm sorry, but that look, I would look so short. The Plum Buds, which even those are great, those zit things. First Aid Beauty Face Cleanser. That would have been great. Let's see. And then 5 and 6, I got the body wash. Could have gotten the Frank Body Cacao Coffee Scrub. I've had those before. The Darling Spring Salt and Pepper Shakers. Those are kind of cute. The Lujo Bar Eucalyptus Shower Steamers. Those are nice. Mood Perfume, or I would have gone for the CoverX Custom Enhancer palette that looks so good, 42. I don't need more, but I got the Heat Protectant. You can see this is my everyday life. You could have gotten a waist pack, which I may have gotten that. The Necessaire the body lotion. Yeah, oh, I guess those are it. So yeah, that one I'd probably go for the fanny pack. So anyways, yeah, not my favorite box. Again, I'm not sure if I'm really gonna do like a whole nother year after this. Just because, yeah, I've kind of been disappointed and it just kind of feels like junk, which is why I got rid of it to begin with. And some of the articles were how to start your hair growth journey, hosting hacks for the holiday season, which I might read that, what your zodiac signs would pick for their fall box, skip the spa with these at-home tricks. I mean, yeah, so I definitely like love their vibes and like what it's all about. You know, what I say, I just like wouldn't have bought any of these products, so I don't think my box is really worth it. But yeah, sure, the socks are nice. I'll use those. I'm sure I'll use the brush once in a while. The scarf I'll try out, and maybe the blanket I'll use once. So that, I like that other blanket color a little bit better. So anyway, that is my FabFitFun box. Sorry, my cat is like trying to figure out what she wants to do. I think she wants some love and attention. She cuddled with me last night, which is nice. She hasn't done that in a while. But anyway, let me know what you guys got in your box, or what you think, if you think I should keep this or not. And yeah, what other subscription boxes you're liking. Are you ready for fall? Let me know down below in the comments. But anyway, hope you guys are all doing well, and until next time, bye everyone.